A core memory. You don't realize you're having one at the time until years down the road when it's something you look back on fondly from your childhood or your past. For me, every Wednesday at 5:30, me and my brother would sit down in front of the TV. We'd watch Dragon Ball Z, one of the most epic animes I've ever watched. Welcome back to the Sap Shop. Today, we're going to turn this 4x4 piece of wood to the most epic thing ever. Master Roshi's staff. Can't wait. The anime, Master Roshi's staff's just about this tall. As tall as he is, holds it like this. So I'm going to cut a little bit off this, but not much. Don't want to be the exact science, just marking out where I think it's good. Hunched over where this, I think it looks nice. So I don't have a lathe or anything like that. So I'm going to be taking off material a few different ways. And I think my power planer would be the perfect way to take off a good amount of material. Probably super messy. I got a few other ideas, but we're going to try this first. I've never done this before, so we'll be experimenting a little. After what felt like an eternity of using a power planer, shooting sawdust all over my shop, a whole trash bag full of sawdust. Thank God I can burn that stuff. I got it profiled. I got it just going from full on 4x4 down to a nice point. So I was looking at pictures at the staff, and there's like a million different ways you can make it look. So I kind of just winged it. It needed to be naughty, gnarly looking, like an old man's staff. So that's what I drew here. Nothing precise. Just, hey, this is what I want it to look like. So I think it looks. Boom. Now time for the fun part. You know, I'm doing this because I want to bring part of my childhood into my woodworking. Something nostalgic, something fun. And kids say dumb stuff. Like what I just said. The fun part, this part made my arm want to fall off. This was grueling. I am so glad I did not have to build a log cabin for my family back in the day. But no, it was fun. Just a ton of work. Once I was done hacking this thing up into a shape that I thought was pretty decent, the real fun began. The sanding. So much sanding. Just want to make it smooth. I don't want splinters, so I sanded. Using my little Dremel to add some knots and character to this, and a little something extra. This is my favorite part. It's where the project really starts to look like what you imagined. The stain. Making this staff has been completely new, fun. I've never carved something down like this. And then taking a $10 piece of 4x4 from Home Depot and turning it into something that was just a imagination, pipe dream. But here we are. I'm staining my handmade Master Roshi staff. And God, does it look good. Here it is, guys. Master Roshi's staff made from a 4x4 and a lot of effort, a little bit of imagination. Thanks for watching. This thing is freaking awesome. I'm going to be giving this away here real soon. I'll let you guys know the details. But I'll be giving away this one-off, made in the Sap Shop. Right there. Boom. By me. And I'll tell you guys how to enter and win later. But I figure I should give this away. I'm gonna make another one for my cosplay, of course, because I look good as Master Roshi. Because I have a bald head and beard. But thanks for watching. Like the channel. Please like and subscribe. I've got a lot more coming. Fun stuff like this. And some new stuff. We'll be building lots of new stuff. Stuff I've never done before. I'm going to bring you along with me. Have a good one.